my 2016 bike check. So starting off with the top, we got Shadow metal barns, and then we got the ODI long grips. I cut them how I want it to fit on the bars. And these are SMM Voodoo bars, 9 rise, pretty sure, or something like that. And I cut them down to 27 wide. And then we got the Colt Salvation stem and Rasta. Got some gold bolts. And then just stock fit headset, but I put Colt raised cap or whatever on it, so I have less spacers. And then I have some stock fit forks. And then I have FF 2.4 tires on both because they're awesome tires, they last forever. And then I have all 4 plastic stolen something. Ooh, that was good. That was good for tomorrow. Stolen plastic pegs. I don't know what model, but whatever. White sleeves, really good. They slide like butter. If you wax a ledge really good, it's like butter on toast. It's really good. So these are complete Primo wheels. This is a free coaster, and these are really good wheels. They're double walled, good spokes, good hub guards. I love them a lot. So I got a stock bottom bracket, who cares, same thing. And I got fit cranks, fit pedals, and then I got fit key sprocket, guard sprocket. It's really good, held up. And I got a white Shadow chain. Had it for years. It's a good chain. And then I got a Shadow seat post in chrome. And then I got a Demolition fat seat, because you gotta cushion that butt when you're doing hang fives and stuff. And that's my bike check. Be out here and have fun. Go ride some bikes.